Hi everyone, welcome back to Sans Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. I'm very grateful that you subscribed to my channel. And if you just stopped by, I would be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. If my video came as a recommendation from YouTube, I'm very grateful to YouTube. Thank you so much, YouTube, for doing so. Today, I'm participating in a challenge called as Traditional Christmas Red, Green and Gold. So this is hosted by Fabulous Designs on a Budget and co-hosted by Elaborate Designs by Ieasha and Kreating with Mz.Kaye. So this challenge is about you have to create a tablescape basically with Christmas colors, which is red, green and gold. So if you haven't already, please be sure to visit their channels. I'm going to do a traditional Christmas decor, so it should be like red, green, gold and silver. So I actually laid one of the Merry Christmas tapestry as the base, and this is one of the red charger. I decorated it with some red diamonds and glass gems. And this is one of the Dollar Tree flower vase. I decorated this flower vase with the green diamond wrap and some red diamonds. And I also made a bow out of silver and golden ribbon. And these are all the florals, Christmas florals from Dollar Tree. Some red poinsettias and some silver poinsettias and some champagne color ones and some Christmas pigs with pine cone, and also some of the shiny berries. So I decorated this from all Dollar Tree based products, and I scattered some vase fillers on the tray. And this side we have a warm wishes sign. I made this sign with some of the Christmas ornaments, red and golden, and I have this champagne color poinsettia with some shiny berries, and also I have some Christmas pig with holly and some pine cone, and one pine cone on the top. Yeah, this is one sign that I decorated it for one of the projects, and this is one of the Christmas tree, tinsel one from Dollar Tree. And here we have a red truck. I did this decoration of this red truck for one of my projects, and I decorated with the Christmas ribbon and stuck some of the gift boxes and some poinsettia leaves in front of the red truck. And this is like a Santa's truck filled with gifts, and here we have Santa. And this is actually one of the candle holder, and I stuffed some of the red and golden ornaments on it. And this is one of the Christmas glittery tree in the back, and some of the gift boxes I laid it on the tapestry. And this is one of the red bird pick from Dollar Tree. On this side, you see this candle holder and a candle. This candle holder is from Dollar Tree. Is it like peachy red or light red? So I decorated this with one of the Christmas ribbon and some golden and green bow. And I stuck one of the shiny berry. And this is one of the red candle from Dollar Tree again. And here I have a tinsel tree from Dollar Tree again, and two of the Christmas trees, and one of the beautiful reindeer, which is going along with the theme. So yeah, this is one of my Christmas coffee table decor. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. So I'll also leave the link for all the projects that I did here. For example, my candle holder and this decor of this candle holder, and also my flower vase decor and this tray decor and this warm wishes sign decor and this truck decor. So I'm going to leave the links for all these videos in my description box. If you want to see how I made this, you can also check it out there.